Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by opening your profile and moving straight to Settings and Privacy. This is where subscription controls live. Once there, tap the three-line menu in the top right, then select Settings and Privacy. Make sure you're signed into the account you want to modify, because subscriptions are account-specific. You'll see multiple sections. Focus on account and creator options first, since subscription and follower settings are grouped there. This avoids digging through unrelated menus and gets you to the unsubscribe actions. Once in settings, go to Creator Tools or Account depending on your app version. This is where subscriptions and paid features appear. Scroll to subscriptions, then pick the creator or paid channel you no longer want. You'll see options like Manage, Cancel, or Unsubscribe. Tap the appropriate one and follow prompts to confirm. You do this to ensure both in-app subscriptions and creator support stops. Make sure to read the confirmation text so you understand any remaining access or billing timing. Finally, confirm the unsubscribe and wait for the confirmation screen. Take a screenshot as proof and check your email for a receipt. Once done, review your purchase history to verify the billing cutoff date so you know when access ends. If the subscription still appears active, make sure the app is updated and restart it. If problems persist, use Settings and Privacy, report a problem to contact TikTok support with your screenshot. This troubleshooting tip fixes most sync or billing display issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.